Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and thermal module. Removal. Disconnect the two DC-in cables from the connectors on the motherboard. Remove the two 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the DC-in bracket to the top cover. Lift the DC-in bracket off of the DC-in module and remove. Carefully release the DC-in module from the retention tabs on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the DC-in module.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.